guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today is going to be a vlog style video. It feels so good to be back on YouTube. I know I left you guys hanging for a few, I would say weeks, maybe it's been months, but I am back. As you can see, I am in a new location, and that is because I have moved into my own place. It's a 2-bed, so I have the option of office and bedroom, so I'm really happy about that, to have like a separate space. If you've watched me over the past, I think 6 or so years on YouTube, you'll know that I have been in a front room and then a tiny box room, and now I actually have like a proper room for my business. So you can see all of my stock. I will do a proper office tour once everything is settled. I literally moved in last week, so not everything is in its right place. But I had to get things together quickly because it is Black Friday. Black Friday is tomorrow. Hopefully I can edit this video and get it up today as well, so you guys will be prepared for Black Friday. You'll see my sign that used to be in all my videos, it's still here. So Black Friday is tomorrow, and I wanted to show you guys how I am preparing for Black Friday. As you can see, I have pre-packed a lot of my products and made sure that I had re-upped on a lot of stock. I still have stock in production, so I'm waiting for that to arrive. It probably won't arrive by Black Friday, but it should arrive in time for me to just ship them off. I've also ordered enough packaging, hopefully, to carry me over for the Black Friday sale day. I've got stocked up on my materials, so you want to make sure that you've got enough thank you cards. And for me, I have satin care guides, so I've just ordered them quickly yesterday, so they should arrive by tomorrow, because I need more of them. I've kind of counted how many to have for all my bonnets and pillowcases, so I made sure that I had enough for that. You also want to make sure that your website is prepared and ready as well, so you want to pre-schedule everything that you possibly can. So I use a few different apps for that. The first one is Planoly, and that is my social media planner. So what I do is I upload all of the posts that I want to post on Instagram through Planoly. Instagram is my main social media platform, so I use this app Planoly, and I will put in all of the posts that I want to post for Black Friday or just any day in general. So I've managed to schedule as much as I can, and for the things that I don't have ready, what I do is I use a placeholder. So as you can see here, there's like plain black squares. So that is just to show me that, okay, something's going to go here, a video is going to go here when it's ready. And then to create the posts, obviously I use images from people and customers that have been sent in, and then I also use a lot of graphics of reviews or just like meme posts. And with that, I use my personal assistant, my virtual assistant, Chloe from Supportal Business Services. If you are in need of a virtual assistant, I'm going to put her details down below because she's amazing. She has a whole team and they've helped me so much this past year. I actually got in contact with her last year to help me with Black Friday because I knew it was going to be crazy. Guys, last Black Friday for me was mad. That's why I knew I had to be fully ready for this year's Black Friday. What I do, I'm going to show you what we do. So we use a platform called Asana, and I share with her what I want her to create for me for that month, and she gets it done. So for example, we use Canva for our graphics, and I'll show you an example of the things that we have made up for Black Friday. So you want to make sure that you've got a web banner. So this is going to be the web banner for the website, which is currently up now. I'll show you. So that was just used in Canva. That was created in Canva, and this is on the website. So that is for the website. We now have graphics for emails. So we send out a weekly newsletter, so we create some graphics for that, and then these are our Instagram blueprint posts. So we've got reviews, memes, product announcements, stuff like that. So everything's created in Canva, and then once that's done, we will schedule things. So like I said, Planoly for social media, and then for emails we use Klaviyo. I used to use MailChimp, but I found that a lot of e-commerce people recommended Klaviyo, so that I've been using that now, which is really good because you can do the same with MailChimp, but I find that is way more targeted with Klaviyo. You can kind of see how much money is made via the different campaigns. So you can see I have ready and waiting a 1 day to go campaign. I've had a Black Friday separate list. That's definitely something you should do. So I had a opt-in, Black Friday opt-in for 2020, and people signed up if they wanted exclusive information about this year's Black Friday sale. So I sent one out daily, Thursday, Wednesday, we had Tuesday, Monday. And then we're going to have emails go out on the day, so with the offers, and then the last chance email as it gets nearer to the end of the day. So that is definitely something that I would recommend. Get yourself some email campaign software. A lot of them you can get for free, and some you do have to pay for once you've hit a certain amount of subscribers. So Klaviyo is quite pricey. I'd say it's about $60 a month for me because I have quite a few subscribers. But it's worth it because you have to keep in contact with your customers, and it's another great avenue for you to make sales. Along with that, I've also been thinking of other ways that I can create something new for Black Friday. So tomorrow I'm going to be launching a bundle, and that's the first time I've ever done a bundle for Oso Curly, and this time it's going to be a satin gift set bundle. So it is a satin sleep set bundle. So it's a satin sleep set bundle. Let me show you guys. It has a new belly band with satin sleep gift set on it, a ribbon, and it comes with a pillowcase, a bonnet, and a scrunchie. I'm really trialing it for Black Friday. It will obviously be on sale on Black Friday, but after Black Friday I'm going to continue it for Christmas and just see how it does. I mean, it's going to come with the satin essentials you need, so I thought it would be a really cute idea. I've got 2 colour options, so we've got the white pillowcase, the white and pink bonnet, and the white scrunchie, and then we've got the black pillowcase, the red and black bonnet, and the black scrunchie. So I think that's how I'm going to do it. It depends if I have enough stock of the black pillowcases, so I'll find that out later today. And then if I don't, I'll probably just go ahead and use the pink bundles only. So yeah, that's done. And then I've also got some stickers that I'm going to use for every Black Friday order, just to be a bit different, creative, make it a bit special and fun. Just do little things with your business every now and again to just stand out a bit more. So these are just going to go on the boxes or the poly bags. So it just says Black Friday sale, thank you for your order. I didn't want to go ahead and buy Black Friday leaflets or thank you cards. I thought, let me just get something a bit more affordable and quick. So stickers, I mean, I didn't put the date on it or anything, so I can use it for next year as well. So think about things like that. Don't date it so you can reuse it again. I had actually Christmas ones of these, but silly me, I said something like see us in 2020. So I can't use it this year, but that's a lesson learned. Don't ever put dates or years on things so you can reuse them if you have spare. Another way to prep so that you aren't, going crazy on the day is in Shopify have an app. So on Shopify you can add apps to your store, and I have a good app. It's called Disco. It's a free trial for 30 days, but then you do have to pay for it. But I find it really good. It just takes the stress off of creating sales. So I'm going to create my Black Friday sale in advance. So I'm just going to put Black Friday, 2020, and we're gonna create are we gonna create a collection? Yeah, we're gonna create a collection, or maybe not, because I'm gonna have different. Yeah, we're not gonna for now. So the first one is gonna be 50% off, and that's gonna be on the So you can check out collections that you want to be on sale. So if I go to hair tools, however, that is gonna include this, which isn't gonna be 50% off. So I will go and change that at some point. Or you can just search for the product. So say spray bottle. It immediately knows that it's the spray bottle. So there we go, 50% off. And what I like about this app is it will show the customer, okay, the normal price was $12 and now it's £6. So it kind of encourages them to buy, because it's like, oh, it was this price and now it's this. So now you want to start it. So we're going to start it on the 27th at midnight. No, I'm starting my sale at 6 a.m. Actually, let's make that 5 a.m. So just scroll down here and we're going to make that 5 a.m. Apply. And then it's going to end the same day at 23:59. So that's the first day. You can show a countdown, which will even make people want to buy even more. So that's what it will be, 50% off, ends in 1 day or 2 minutes, 2 hours, how many minutes. So yeah, I'm going to save that and create that sale. So that is now scheduled to start on the Black Friday. And you can then create as many as you want. So that is me pretty much, organize as much as I can for Black Friday. Product wise, I have organized my poly bags are here, so they're going to be easy for me to grab. And then I have my bonnets are pre-packed, my pillowcases are pre-packed, so I won't have to do that when I'm packing my orders. The boxes are all put into their boxes too. We have our edge brushes here. We've got boxes ready to go. I may pack these up today just so they're even easier to pack. And then I've got all my spray bottles ready. My shampoo brushes here ready. Yeah, so that was just a really quick kind of vlog style video just to show you guys how I am preparing for Black Friday. And hopefully it will give you some tips just for any sales that you have coming up, or Black Friday for next year. The more in advance you prepare, the better. I would just say as well, on the sale day, just make sure that you are up early and you test out the website, test that the sale is live, test as much as you can. Get a friend to maybe check out on the website and see if everything is working, because the worst thing you could do is put your sale live, ignore your website for the whole day, and then at the end of the day check and see that the thing that you wanted to be on sale wasn't even on sale, and you miss out on a lot of revenue, which we don't want to happen. We want to make a good amount on Black Friday. I'm hoping that this will be the biggest revenue day that I have had this year. The biggest so far was the first Black Pound Day. That was I think it was back in like August or something, but last Black Friday was amazing for me, so I'm really looking forward to what this year will bring, and I'm hoping that my more prepared self will make things flow easier, because packing Black Friday orders is very stressful. Just plan ahead, guys. I wish you all the best with your sales this holiday season, and if you have any further questions, again, just leave them down below. And I do just want to say thank you so much for all of your good feedback on my past business videos. You guys, I haven't posted for a while, but I get comments every single day, and a lot of my past videos are blowing up. Like one of them, I think, is at 20,000, and for the past few months it's only been on like a few thousand, and I'm like, how all of a sudden is it blown up? So I'm really glad that you are enjoying this content. I hope this video was good for you too, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.